In this video, I'll be showing you how you can launch a token on SunPump platform. If you're wanting to learn how to launch a token on SunPump platform, this would be a step-by-step basic tutorial and experiment on how you can launch a token on SunPump. So ensure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification for lots of more educational guides and content like this. Now what we need to do basically is to head over to our search, that is our website, our web browser, and search for SunPump. Okay, it's already in the Google search already, so I'll open this, right? So yeah, this is what would show up once you have searched this on your Chrome browser or any browser you're using, maybe Phoenix browser, or any browser you're using, maybe on your device or on your PC. But basically it's best, or it's better off you use your PC to run this. So at first what you need to do is to connect wallet, right? To connect this wallet, you need to download an extension, either a MetaMask extension, a Trust Wallet extension, or a Kiwi browser extension, or let's say you can download a beta extension or a Tron wallet extension, right? These 4 extensions, you can find any of them if you head over to your Chrome browser and search for Chrome Store, right? This is Chrome Store. So this is basically a step-by-step tutorial. So this is Chrome Store. So if you open this Chrome Store now, you would find any kind of extension you want to find. You can find the Trust Wallet extension. The Trust Wallet, you'd see it would show up. You can find the MetaMask. This is the MetaMask extension, right? It would show up. You can find the Kiwi browser extension, right? You can find the Kiwi browser and lots of more extensions you can find. So you download the Trust Wallet extension, add it up to your PC extension, right? Then what you need to do is to connect the wallet, right? Connect the wallet. So this is how you can launch your token. So once you press this connect wallet, if you have downloaded the this is another extension you can download. You can either download MetaMask, Tron Link, Trust Wallet. So these three extensions are very necessary, at least for you to launch a token on SunPump. So this is the basic recommended one. This is Tron Link. So once I've connected your wallet to Tron Link, remember to add this extension up. You'd come on here. Let's see the name of the token. I want to launch Elon Musk, right? Elon Musk is the name of the token. So I'll come on here and attach an image. I'll go to my download. I've downloaded this. I'll open this, right? This is Elon Musk. It would load gradually. Yeah, so the token symbol, it would be Elon, right? Elon. So you can come on a token description. Elon. This is basically a step-by-step experiment and a test. You can see Elon tests. Okay, you can see Elon meme coin on Tron chain, right? Elon meme coin on Tron chain. So you can come on here. If you have a website, you can add it. If you have a Telegram channel or Telegram group, you can add it up. If you have a Twitter, you can add it up. You can then, this stuff works on moonshots, right? You can be the first person to buy. This initial buy. Maybe once you buy, you dump on others. Yeah, so I'm not meant to say this because yeah. So yeah, you can use it to your own advantage, but don't use it to prey on people. So yeah, this is basically how you can launch your own token on SunPump. So once I've connected to this Tron link and you have some Tron on your wallet, you can deploy immediately, right? You can deploy immediately. So yeah, this is how you can do this on SunPump. So if you found this video helpful, ensure you go to this channel, subscribe, and watch lots of more educational content like this. I'll be uploading lots of them in a while. I've been working on making lots of good videos for you guys. So if you have any questions, you can always do it to reach out in the comment section. You can text me via mail, so as I would reply and help you the very best way I could possibly do. So thank you guys for coming around to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, ensure you like this video, share this video to your friends and people who may find this video helpful, and don't forget to always share your thoughts below the comment section if you have any questions. See you guys in the next video.